Friends, today we also discuss one more example, and now in this lecture we finish this topic. So we will finish this topic with this example. In this example we check all the three steps which I already told in previous video. So this is a finite automata, and we want to convert this finite automata to get a regular expression. So how to convert this finite automata so that we get a simplified regular expression? First of all, we have three steps to check. The first step is there any incoming edge coming to A? So we first check, is there any incoming edge to A? No, there is no incoming edge. There is only outgoing edge from my state A. Now the second step is there any outgoing edge from final state? So we have not only one final state, we have three final state, and we check, is there any outgoing edge from all these final state? There is no outgoing edge from here, no outgoing edge from here, and no outgoing edge from here, only incoming edge to these final states. And the last third step, is there more than one final state? Yes. So the step 3 is right. Yes, there are three final state in this finite automata, so there are more than one final state in this finite automata. So if there is more than one final state, so we want to reduce to 1. How to reduce to 1? Let's see. So we don't want to change here anything now. What are the method to change it? Make all final states as non-final state, and with the help of null transaction we make a final state. Make only one final state. Let's see. There is B, make it as non-final, C, and there is D. And now there is a null transaction from these final states which is non-final in this, and make it as single final state. So this is a single final state, name as QF, and this is C, D and E. So A, B, C, D, E, which is non-final in this, and with the help of null transaction, because with the help of null transaction there is no change. All those strings which are accepted by this finite automata, which are all accepted by this finite automata also. Okay, now we want, all the three steps are done. Now we want only initial and final state in my automata. So if I want only initial and final state in my automata, then how to do? We remove all C, D, E and B. First we remove C, D and E. How to remove C, D, E? We easily remove C, D, E by B dot null, C dot null and D dot null. Right? So let's try this. I remove this question part. Let's do it. So how to do it? This is my A state, and now we remove A, C. So B dot null, B dot epsilon is nothing but only B. So it is on B. Similarly, C dot epsilon is nothing but C. So there is another C, and D dot epsilon is nothing but D. So this is D. And after doing this, as we all know that it means either B or C or D. So either B or C or D, it means we can also write it as B comma C comma D. So let it write it as, the next step is, this is the initial state B, and we can write it as b comma c comma d. It means like either b or c or d. Now we easily remove b. How to remove b? From a state we want only final state. It is nothing but a dot b plus a dot c plus a dot d. So you can write it as b plus c plus d. So this is my regular expression ab plus ac plus ad. So this is the final regular expression ab plus ac plus ad. We can, don't confuse in this, b comma c comma d is nothing but b plus c plus d, either this or this or this, right? So we can rewrite it as a b plus c plus d. So the regular expression is either ab or ac or ad. So this is the final regular expression. And by all these previous videos, 2-3 previous videos, we saw that how to convert finite automata to regular expression. And in one video we also see that how to convert regular expression to finite automata. So what we conclude? We conclude that if we convert regular expression to finite automata or finite automata to regular expression, it means power is same. It means regular expression and finite automata both have equal power. So regular expression and finite automata both have equal power. So the conclusion is the power of regular expression and finite automata is equal because we convert regular expression to finite automata and we also convert finite automata to regular expression. So enough for today. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel, and if you have any doubt related to this topic or any other topic, please comment and please share my videos with your friends. Thank you.